Hello, today I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to do one more video of this. I think maybe on tomorrow, I'm going to get another spinner fidget, and I'm going to give this one to my sister. So this is going to be my last video with this one. I'm going to get the other one. Yeah, and so today I'm going to see how long it is going to take me to do this one again, but see if I can beat the record. So, I think it was 2:45. Yeah, 2 minutes and 45 seconds. So, yeah. That was that. So, now I'm 0. So, let me just switch the camera. Okay, there, it switched. So, I'm going to just spin it. And I'm going to ask my dad if he can hold it for a second. Daddy, can you hold the camera for a second?
Oi.
So I can put it?
Oi.
Okay, let me just switch it. Twist and push this fidget. Key. Timer. Ready? That and go. Oh, someone's got to put the time. When I say go, ready, set, go. How long? Now I can hold it. I can hold it now. Okay, I'm going to try to put this in the fidget closer to the phone. We can all see. This is the time. This is the fidget. Oh, little fun. "40 seconds. So let's see if it can be the, ooh. I think the phone hit it. I'm gonna give it a spin, kinda. The phone hit it, kinda. Those are kind of, the phone hit it. See if it can beat the last time. Last time I got 2 minutes and 45 seconds. So far the time, it is, hold on, 1 minute and 1 minute. I think maybe we're gonna get it to more than 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Back. It's so weird in the thing. It actually shows kind of the 3 barrels, but in real life it doesn't. But in the YouTube video it is. So right now, it's darker so you can see more. I cannot just put my light. Okay, I pressed something wrong. Press the lap. Okay. Ooh, it's slowing down. Kinda, okay. Time is right now. There's the phone. That's my mom's. See, you see those circles? Those are kind of like the barrels. Ooh. It's gonna come out. Ooh, it's slowing down. Slowing down. See if it can be 2:45. 2 minutes and 45 seconds. 2 minutes and 30. I'm gonna get ready. Oh! Ready. And 2 minutes and 45 minutes passed. I'm not kidding here. And I am going to stop it almost. It reached 3 minutes. Still kind of, and it has stopped. So we have got 3 minutes, 13 seconds, and 42 seconds. Hope you enjoyed this video, and peace out.